lower level, okay? And then you just need to walk a little bit and you will find the first station. You can take this, the city tram. In Portuguese we call it electric